Here at Excel Machinery, we want everyone to excel in their job, to crush your project successfully. Safety is our #1 priority. Maybe you already know this, or maybe this is a refresher. So here are some safety tips on how to avoid slips and falls. Face it, we're human. Slipping and falling is bound to happen, but there's a difference between slipping and falling on the grass versus slipping and falling from a piece of equipment. Tip number 1, keep your workers at least 3 meters from the edge of an open pit. Use a physical barrier such as a berm along with signs saying warning of a fall hazard. This will protect workers from possible blast injuries. Tip number 2, cover all floor or roof openings. If you have protective covers, make sure it is fastened securely to protect workers from falling through openings. The third and final tip is having a guardrail system. This will prevent workers from falling off the edge, but must meet the following requirements. Make sure it has a top rail, a mid rail, and a toe board. Then make sure they're all in good condition. Finally, if you're using safety chains, make sure they are connected to the guard at every opening and are left open when leaving the platform. We hope this was a good refresher and encourages you to keep your safety in mind while avoiding slips and falls. Now get out there safely and crush your next project.